Are you thinking about doing intermittent fasting, or did you just start a fasting protocol? In this video, I'm going to just give you 3 simple rules to follow so you get long-term results with your intermittent fasting. What's up, keto campers? My name is Azadi. I'm a certified functional health practitioner, and I'm on a mission to educate you and 1 billion people on planet Earth, and I want to thank you for spending part of your day with me. Now let's get to rule number 1. Simple rule. Get keto adapted first. Get fat adapted first. We want to teach the body to utilize its fat for fuel before we fast. How do we do that? Well, we start increasing healthy fats and we start decreasing the carbohydrates, and we only have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, no snacks in between. When we do that, we're going to create what's called metabolic flexibility. So when the body starts burning through its sugar reserves in its liver and its muscle, it has the flexibility to tap into its fat stores and produce ketones. If we don't do this work beforehand, then when we start to fast, the body will not know what to do when it burns through its sugar reserves. The brain, which needs glucose because it's been running off of it for I don't know how many years, does not have the capability to start burning ketones because the body doesn't have the flexibility. So it will send you an intense craving for sugar, for carbs. So if you're doing some fasting right now and you're getting these nasty cravings, it's probably because you're not keto adapted. So if you have amazing willpower and you just fight through that, the body will do something else. Number 2, it will actually break down your muscle and your protein and turn it into sugar just to fulfill its desire of getting the glucose up. So that's rule number 1. Get keto adapted first. If you want to learn how to do it, go to www.ketokickstartguide.com, get my free ebook, and I'll teach you how to do that. Number 2 rule of fasting. Know that hunger is different than cravings. So I just spoke about cravings. That's when you can't focus, you can't think, you might be hypoglycemic. Hunger is very normal. Like all hormones, the hunger hormone ghrelin is pulsatile. So I want you to think of ghrelin, the hunger hormone, as a gremlin. When it comes out, it makes noise. Nobody likes for it to be around. It's not fun. It's not enjoyable. The hunger hormone ghrelin is the same way. All hormones, as I mentioned, are pulsatile, meaning they spike up, they spike down. That is so important for you to understand because when you feel hungry, it's always going to go away. If you keep yourself busy, maybe you go for a walk, maybe you work out, maybe you just go on a sales call, keep yourself occupied, that hormone, the hunger hormone, will drop down to baseline. The hunger will go away. So think of hunger as a wave. When that wave comes, do something to keep yourself occupied and ride that wave, and it'll help you continue with your fasting schedule so you can continue fat burning, so you can continue with the autophagy and the amazing benefits of your fast. Number 3 simple rule to follow if you're doing intermittent fasting: don't eat less. Eat less often, meaning when you are eating, feast it up. Remind the body that it is not starving. We are designed for these feast-famine cycles. Feasting is what's happening during your eating window, when you're eating food. Fasting is the famine. So feast famine, when you follow this design, this cycle of life that is in our DNA and it's been this way for thousands of years, your body is going to reward you for it. So don't eat less often. Eat all your meals in a certain window and then fast outside of that window. Always eat until full, eat fat, eat protein, remind the body that it's not starving. Those are the 3 simple rules to follow. If you're doing fasting or you have a friend that's doing some intermittent fasting, share this with them. And if you've been doing fasting and you're not following these 3 rules, I promise you, if you incorporate them, you're gonna get more results from your fast. I wanna thank you for your time and your energy. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you're notified when there's new videos and when I go live, and have yourself a grateful day.